Have you ever wondered how the food on your plate affects our planet? It's a question we often overlook. Our planet, our home, is in a state of flux, and the choices we make at the dinner table are partly to blame. Astonishingly, the demand for meat and the mass farming practices needed to meet it contribute significantly to global greenhouse emissions. Yes, that juicy steak comes with a side of ecological consequences. The reality is, our dietary choices and farming practices have a significant impact on our world. Did you know that livestock farming contributes to 14.5% of all human-induced greenhouse gas emissions? That's right, our meat consumption has a hefty environmental footprint. This is largely due to methane, a potent greenhouse gas that cows produce during digestion. Now consider this, the world's cattle alone emit more greenhouse gases than all the cars, planes and ships combined. But the environmental impact doesn't stop there. Forests, our natural carbon sinks, are being cleared at an alarming rate to make way for grazing lands, further exacerbating climate change. And let's not forget about water. It takes an astonishing 15,000 litres of water to produce just 1 kilogram of beef. That's the equivalent of showering for almost 100 days straight. In fact, if cows were their own nation, they would be the world's third largest emitter of greenhouse gases. It's time we take a closer look at the environmental implications of our dietary choices. And it's not just about the meat. Have you considered the environmental impact of mass farming? Let's delve into it. Our insatiable appetite for food has led to farming on a colossal scale. This mass farming gobbles up resources, causing an overuse that our planet struggles to sustain. Imagine a glass of water being refilled slower than it's being drunk. Moreover, constant farming degrades our soils, stripping them of their fertility and leading to barren lands. It's like robbing Peter to pay Paul, but in this case, Peter is our planet. And let's not forget the impact on biodiversity. Mass farming often means less room for other species, threatening their very existence. It's clear then that the way we currently produce and consume meat is a major contributor to climate change. So what can we do about it? The answer is simpler than you might think. Let's transition to a more hopeful note here. Small changes in our personal lives can create ripples that turn into waves of change. Consider reducing your meat consumption. Even one meatless day a week can make a world of difference. Opt for sustainably sourced products whenever possible. These choices support responsible farming practices and help protect our environment. Another powerful move is to support your local farmers. They are the backbone of our food system and often employ more sustainable methods. So, let's make these changes together. Remember, every small change you make can have a big impact on the health of our planet. It's time to take action.